Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're live and ready to end the broadcast. Start by telling viewers you're wrapping up so they aren't cut off unexpectedly. Once you've sent a final message, stop transmitting from your encoder. Click Stop Streaming in OBS or Streamlabs, or press the End Stream button in Twitch Producer. Do this first because it severs the outgoing feed and signals Twitch to finalize the session. Make sure local recording is saved so you don't lose a copy. Once the encoder is stopped, verify Twitch shows you offline, open your creator dashboard, and confirm the stream session ended. While you're there, stop any local recordings you started earlier and close overlays so they don't keep writing logs. Make sure integrations, bots, donation alerts, and chat tools are disabled or set to offline to prevent stray messages. Do this because some services continue interacting after the feed stops, which can trigger unwanted notifications or data writes. Finish by confirming Twitch has processed the VOD and choose Publish or Set to Private, and then back up local recordings to your preferred drive. After files are secured, fully close your encoder and sign out of stream accounts so no background sessions persist. If Twitch still reports you as live, don't panic. Restart the encoder and confirm the stream key matches the dashboard, or end the stream via Twitch Producer. That fix resolves most stuck live issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.